Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove someone from your Instagram user list. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get started. First, of course, you will need to open the Instagram app. Next, to easily find that person, limit the caption with them. You can find absolutely any post. Next, click on Send or Share. Next, you search for the person, tap on them, and send them a post. Next, you go to your correspondences. You can just swipe to the left side. You will go to your correspondences, and here you will see the person to whom you have just sent a message or a post. You click on that person. Then at the top, click on their name, then Options. And here you'll see a little list of what you can do. So, you can restrict, block, or you can complain about that person. And if you want to restrict communication with this person, then select the first option. Then the person will not be able to correspond with you. You will control that. If you want to restrict their actions on your page completely, then you'll need to select Block. Once you select Block, the person won't be able to go to your page and you'll be removed from their friends. The person won't be able to message you, and they won't be able to find you on Instagram through search. Absolutely nothing. That is, it's like he will disappear from Instagram's field of vision. So choose which option will be more convenient for you, which you would like to apply to this or that Instagram user. That's how you can remove someone from your Instagram user list, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and see you soon.